Hello students, in a previous video we have discussed about the first unit, a baker from Goa, from the lesson Glimpses of India. So now through this video we will learn another unit of the same lesson, Glimpses of India, under the name Coorg, brought into light by Lokesh Abrol. Lokesh Abrol is a doctor, traveler and social entrepreneur who loves India and likes writing about different places he visited in India. So, Coorg is one such place in Karnataka which is famous for coffee, rainforest and spices that the author had visited. Lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands and Tibetan settlements. With this introduction of the chapter, let us know its summary. The writer describes the hill station of Coorg, located in the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. It is located midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Suitable time to visit Coorg is from September to March. The place is famous for coffee plantations and spices. There are abundant rainforests which cover 30% of the area. The Coorgi men are brave warriors who are permitted to keep firearms without a license due to their trustworthiness. The women of Coorg are pretty. Coorg is also known as Kodavu, and the Kodavus though are Hindus by religion, but their customs differ from those of mainstream Hindus. They marry within their community. Kodavus are said to be of Greek or Arabic descent. Some soldiers of Alexander's army settled there. Also, as the ethnic dress of the Kodavus, Kupia is similar to the Arab garment Kufia. It is said that maybe their ancestors were Arabs or Kurds. The river Kaveri originates from Coorg. The fish named Mahasir is found in the river. Many animals and birds like kingfisher, langur, squirrels and elephants can be spotted along the river. Tourists relax in the serene atmosphere and also enjoy adventure sports like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, mountain biking, rock climbing and trekking. While trekking on the nature trails, animals like macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs and slender loris can be spotted on the trees. The major tourist attractions are Brahmagiri Hills, Nisargadam Island and Bailakupi Tibetan settlements. Coorg gives visitors a feel of India's diverse cultures. Now its explanation more clearly. The writer tells that Coorg is a place so beautiful that it seems like as if a piece of heaven has drifted away from God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It is somewhere between Mysore and Mangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. The men are brave warriors, the women of Coorg are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. Also known as Kodagu, it is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Coorg is covered with evergreen rainforest and the place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Coorg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of coffee due to the abundant coffee plantations. The people of Coorg are believed to be of Greek or Arabic background and are generally ferocious. This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with embroidered waist belt known as kupia. Kupia is similar to the kufia worn by Arabs and Kurds. It is also rumored that some people of the Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settled here while returning from the south. The people of Coorg marry each other and their cultures as well as rituals are very different from the ones followed by Hindus. The people are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with stories of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Coorg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. The first chief of the Indian Army, named General Kariyappa, belonged to Coorg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license. This shows that the Coorgis are reliable too. The evergreen forests and hills of Coorg provide water to River Kaveri, a major river in South India. Large freshwater fish called mahaser is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. The tourists who visit Coorg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities available like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain climbing. The hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. While taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild elephants can also be found in Coorg. With this explanation, we have come to the end of this unit.